Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now, you're watching this video, guys, because you're probably about to order a bunch of stuff from StockX, and you're looking for the best StockX promo codes, or discount codes. But basically, guys, I'm going to show you today a working and reliable method of getting you a $100 StockX discount code. Now, I'm saying dollars, but as you can hear, I'm in the UK. This does work worldwide, so don't panic. And yeah, it only takes a few minutes. So let me head to my desk, guys, and show you how you can get your StockX promo codes. So make sure you follow along, and yeah, let's do this. Let me show you guys where you can go and get your own StockX discount code in 2023. I've used this multiple times, so I can confirm it works. So you need to go to the following website, www.giftcardhero.net, and on the website they have a ton of pages, but you need to navigate your way to the StockX page, and to do so you can press this green button at the bottom, go to the search bar and just type in StockX and press search, and it's going to find you the page. So we press that. You can see it's been rated 5 stars by verified users, so that's a good sign. Obviously tons of people have used it. So a bit about StockX. I'm sure you already know all about StockX if you've shopped there before. Now this is the section we're really interested in. It's $100 off your order, and unlike many discount codes, this is for new as well as existing customers. Many codes are only for new customers, and even then they're not this good. But yeah, this can be used by anyone. So we need to press this button because the code is basically locked. So let's unlock the code, guys. Let's click this button. Okay, so we have to complete this verification. This is essentially to protect the codes, to make sure they don't get stolen. As you saw, they were limited codes, so we have to just complete 2 of the free offers, and these offers are apps and surveys. So you can see here I've got listed a few offers here. I just need to complete 2 of them. I'm going to do the 2 surveys, and this will verify I'm not a robot. So let's click one and complete the questions, and then I'm going to input my email address. I'll quickly open up the second one as well just to speed things up. Okay guys, I'm going to pause the video just so I don't give out my email address, and I'm going to do both of these surveys and I'll return. So after taking a couple of minutes to complete 2 of these surveys, when we return to Gift Card Hero, back to this page and scroll down, it should have automatically in the background refreshed and given you the code. So this is revealed once you complete 2 free offers. And this is a one-time use code, guys, so one of you can grab this and use it because I'm not going to. So, yep, this is as easy as that, guys. Go to giftcardhero.net, and once you get your code, simply apply it at checkout for whatever pair of shoes you wish to get. I hope you enjoyed this video. Press the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this. Leave a comment below if you need any help, and I'll see you next time.